Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious vodka pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need 1 pound of pasta, rigatoni or penwork beautifully, along with 1/2 cup each of vodka and heavy cream. Don't forget 1/4 cup of rich tomato paste, half a finely diced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and plenty of fresh Parmesan cheese. Having everything ready makes preparation effortless. Our next step is crucial for developing the sauce's depth. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a spacious skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely diced onion and sauté it for approximately 5 minutes until it softens and turns translucent. Then, introduce the minced garlic and 1/4 cup of rich tomato paste, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes. This brief cooking time for the tomato paste truly deepens its flavor, forming a fantastic base. Now, it's time to add the star of the show, the vodka. Carefully pour in 1/2 cup of vodka, making sure to scrape up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan as it simmers. Allow the vodka to cook down for about 3 minutes until its volume reduces by half, ensuring the alcohol fully evaporates and leaves behind only its distinct flavor. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream, bring it to a gentle simmer, and season generously with salt and pepper. While your sauce is simmering, cook your chosen pasta, like rigatoni, according to its package directions. The goal is a perfect al dente texture, offering a slight bite. Before you drain the pasta, make sure to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy cooking water. It's a secret ingredient for emulsifying the sauce. Drain your pasta, then immediately add it directly into the simmering vodka sauce. Toss everything together, ensuring every piece of pasta is beautifully coated. To achieve the perfect consistency, gradually add the reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the sauce coats the pasta beautifully. This starchy water helps to emulsify and thicken the sauce. Now, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a small knob of butter for an extra layer of richness and gloss. Garnish your delicious vodka pasta with fresh basil or parsley before serving it warm. Enjoy this restaurant-quality dish right at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.